This here. This I'm gonna maybe around here gonna We did it! But hey, remember children, this is something you are not allowed to do unless you have the permission or you own the land. At least in Finland, that's how it goes. Or otherwise you will be shot on sight. So, it's a perfect fit. Yeah, pulkkavas sledge or something like that. This is going as expected. Yeah, I'm not sweaty at all. It's just so fucking hot. I even dropped the goddamn chainsaw and thing back there. I need to go and get it back. Something failed in my superior bike system. Goddamn. Okay, it's getting darker and darker by the minute, so I must first put on the feeding system for the birds. Now I have done everything I came to do. I had sausage, dogs had small treats for them, birds have something to eat, and here we go towards next year. Oh, my chest is hurting here because I fell a week ago and I think I broke one of my ribs. Really ass. Yeah. But hey, it's only pain, you can handle it. My sledge for the tree was total fucking catastrophe. Because... what is it doing? Because it falls down, it's not balanced in any way because this is just normal kids toy that I'm using. I actually saw in the store that they had these really good looking winter sledges for hard working people, work, not toys. They wouldn't fall down because they're much wider. Anyway, thanks for this year. It's been a blast, lots of adventures. I just released, like this was the last vlog, should be my last video for this year, but of course it wasn't, and because there is now this, and then there is actually my 2021 photos. Check that video out. It's 48 minutes, it's a huge video, but it has all the best, my best of. Hey, boys, boys. It's best of my videos, photos actually. So there is some strange landscapes, soundscapes. You can skip that part and listen to your own music, like the description says. Take some LSD, take some glass of wine and sit back and relax and watch it through. Yeah. But thank you for watching. 79 subscribers now. Yeah. Thank you, last subscriber. You know who you are. There aren't so many. Thank you for following my channel, and thank you for watching. And see you next year. Actually, this is gonna be out next year. So this is like a strange thing. It's gonna be my first video next year. What the hell? Shit happens. Anyway, thank you. Catch you on the flip side. So, year 2021 has passed. Here I am, sitting on this beautiful Finnish landscape with some jätkenkynttilä that you saw me tracking from the forest. The year is heading towards the end. There's only some hours left, and here is one beer for all the successful shots that I made. There weren't many. I was thinking about this talk as a kind of recap of my YouTube things and adventures. Basically, I don't want to make it too long. It's boring. I'm just sitting here enjoying the beer. This is actually from Panimo Tuju, Vermont Ravitsis. Really good, fruity, good beer. Yeah. So, what did I do last year? Well, I did 22 vlog videos. That's quite much, I would say. 22, and what are the most remarkable videos that happened? And there aren't many, but to sum up the few good ones, there are the meeting the eagle. That was awesome. Meeting the owl. That was fucking awesome. Meeting the mooses. Yeah, when the moose walked into my view on my route, that was excellent.
Eitä siis muista noita.
Hei vittu. Kyllä minä muistan. Haista paska, painu helvettiin vittu siitä.
Joo. Vittu, pidä tunkki.
Yeah, those strange people are coming and tell me what I need to remember and what not. But anyway, those are the main. The Hawks of Central Park. That was also quite a lucky incident that happened. Amazing. Thank you everybody who has been following my crappy photo adventures. Thank you my subscribers. Thank you all the nice people I have met in Instagram, chatting with you. Not many, but the selected good ones at least. And yeah, what will be next year? I don't know. More adventures. Huge things are gonna happen in a way that gonna make me make more of these vlogs probably, but that I will open up more in the next vlog, probably the first that will come during next year. Actually, this is the first one that will come on next year, but anyway, but those probably were my highlights. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you have missed them, and you can find them from my YouTube channel here somewhere. Just browse them through. Anyway, thank you. Still alive, and we'll be catching you on the flip side, like we say. Bye.